Are you looking for an indoor cycling trainer? In this video, I will show you the best indoor cycling trainers in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the CycleOps H3 Direct Drive Smart Bike Trainer. The H3 features the same reliability and durability as its predecessors, only quieter. At 20 miles per hour and just 59 decibels, the H3 is the quietest smart trainer to ever leave our doors. Encased inside are components meticulously calibrated to measure power, speed and cadence, as well as a precision-balanced flywheel, all built to handle 2000 watts and replicate a 20% climbing grade. The H3 is 5 times quieter than previous generations, making it the quietest smart trainer to ever leave our doors. Following the Sari's Direct Drive Smart Trainer legacy, the H3 features the same reliability and durability as its predecessors. Each H3 is made from cast and machined aluminum sourced from America's heartland. The fourth product on the list is the Garmin TacX Neo 2T Smart Trainer. Neo 2T Smart reacts instantly to speed or incline changes and allows for movement to the left and right while cycling, following the natural course of your body. To simulate an outdoor ride indoors, dynamic inertia controls mass inertia and compensates for weight, speed and angle of inclination to make your ride feel more realistic. With an improved design and revamped components, the Neo 2T Smart Trainer provides a more immersive experience, measures total power and left/right balance and more. This feature works with TacX software or the Zwift app to make the trainer vibrate and simulate the feeling of riding on different road surfaces, such as cobblestone and gravel. The third product on the list is the Rock Bros Bike Rollers. High-strength and high-end aluminum alloy roller bicycle trainer, with 3 aluminum rollers mounted into an adjustable frame to hold bike wheels. This bike roller trainer frame could be folded and also be lightweight for easy carrying and storage. Matrix bridge structure makes the force even, which can reduce the impact during riding. Nylon glass fiber and resistant PP roller lower abnormal noise between 60 to 75 dB. This roller trainer is suitable for all bikes between 16–29 inches. The second product on the list is the Elite Arion Folding Rollers. Arion is a very light yet sturdy training roller. Its strong suits are great ease of use, great performances, and high reliability. Arion is quickly and easily foldable with one simple movement, so it reduces clutter by 50% when not in use. The front roller is adjustable with 10 different positions to allow for perfect compatibility with the frame of the bike you're using. Great performance and high reliability make Arion one of the World Tour team's favorite parabolic roller for the perfect pre-race warm-up. The first product on the list is the Feedback Sports Omnium Portable Trainer with Tote Bag. Meet the Omnium Overdrive Portable Bike Trainer. The adaptable fork mount design keeps the rear wheel on the bike and offers the most dynamic ride quality of any stationary bike trainer available via Live Ride technology. Plus, the precision rollers and internal progressive resistance design is so quiet you'll never disrupt the neighbors. When you're finished, the elegant folding design hides it in its padded travel bag like it was never there. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.